NerdWallet turning in its best day ever, jumping nearly 41% after a strong third quarter earnings report. Company also announcing the launch of its first credit card, a no-fee card for subprime borrowers looking to build credit history. Joining us now is NerdWallet CEO Tim Chen. Tim, welcome. Big day in the market. How much financial risk are you taking on with this card, and how do the tight credit conditions these days necessitate it?
Thanks for having me back, John. Yeah, with this card, we're partnering with Bond. You know, it's not a thing we're taking onto our balance sheet. It's a secured credit card where the user will deposit money and that becomes their credit line. And we think it's incredibly important to understand that, you know, NerdWallet makes money differently than your typical credit card company. Our idea here is not to earn swipe fees and late fees and annual fees. We're trying to put that aside and give that value back to the consumer. We really hope to build and nurture their credit scores, to register them, engage them, and refer them to other products when they qualify down the road, things like loans and unsecured credit cards.
How is that going right now, that market where financial services companies are looking for consumers? How hard is it for consumers to get connected with the right company? And are companies willing to pay to bring on that new customer?
So NerdWallet is seeing really strong demand. You know, we're taking share in a pretty challenging macro right now. So the number of matches we see, for example, is going up. But where it's really challenged is that a lot of banks, a lot of lenders, a lot of insurers are under pressure. So, for example, you've got things like Basel III Endgame really challenging the capital ratio requirements that banks as currently proposed. You've got things like high longer-term rates really raising questions around what will break next. Do we have SVB, but on a larger scale? So you've got some natural conservatism with the financial institutions right now, and that's really holding us back a bit in terms of monetizing some of those matches.
Tim, I want to go back to the credit card for a second, because it sounds like what you're laying out is a vision for an on-ramp to increase your customer base for other products and services down the road. Who do you see as your competition here? Is it traditional credit cards then? Is it buy now, pay later? Or is this you tapping into a market that's been largely underserved so far?
Well, we see an opportunity to offer essentially a better secured credit card. You got to really think about situations like new college grads with limited credit history, or recent immigrants who don't have a ton of credit history, people who have damaged credit. And so a traditional credit card company would really need to make money here on things like swipe fees and annual fees to make it worth their while. For us, we can really make money in other ways down the road. And that's really where the win-win comes in here.
What's the critical question on how the business is going to do for the rest of Q4?
Yeah, looking out into next quarter, we have a lot of different things going on, puts and takes in the business. The deposit demand in our business is still strong. There's questions around when insurers are going to come back in full force. Right now, they're still really facing headwinds from profitability, but those things are starting to resolve. So while it's hard to call the exact timing on some of those things, we've remained pretty conservative in how we're thinking about it going into Q4.
All right. Tim Chen, CEO of NerdWallet. Thank you.